Schoology has added a new feature to its assignments called Google Drive integration. You may notice when you click on Create Assignment, you have an extra button that didn't show in the previous video called Google Drive Assignments. When you click on this button, it will ask you to connect to your Google Drive. I've already done that. At this point, it will bring up your Google Drive. It also has a feature for search. What this will do is it will let you select either a Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Drawing, or Google Doc from your drive, and it will create a copy for everyone in your class. So I'll just grab one here and attach it. Now that I've done this, Schoology and Google Drive are working together to create a copy of this file for every student. Keep in mind that when you do this, as soon as you have connected your file to the assignment, any changes will not be reflected in the student file. So let's say I went back to Untitled Drawing and I added something new to it. I would have to recreate this assignment. Make sure that the assignment or the document is completely polished and done when you attach it to your assignment. Then you fill out the rest of the assignment as you would any other. You still have all the regular options. And select Create. All right, here's our assignment. And you'll notice now we get a different view, a different workflow with the assignment view. I have assignments, so I can see that my directions here, my attached original document here. I can also select In Progress, so I can see if my students have even clicked on the assignment. And then I can see submissions. Now, how this works for the student end, the student will see assignment here, and they'll see my document here. When they click on my document, a copy of that file will be made that will be called, in this case, John Meyer, Untitled Document, etc., etc. And I will have the ability to view his assignment while he's working on it. This is great because I have the ability to take a look and peek in while they're working without going over their shoulder or interrupting their work. I can discreetly write a message right from Schoology into their Google Drawing or Doc. Let me give you an example of that. So technically what this has done, it has made me, the teacher, the owner of all these documents, and I've basically shared them with the students, okay? So now I have the ability to edit, but I probably as a teacher wouldn't do that, but I can add a Google Drive comment right in from Schoology into Google Drawing, Docs, Slides, or Sheets. If I wanted to, I can also pop this out of Schoology and look at it this way. So students working on a Chromebook may want to work on their assignment in this view mode instead of the other. On the iPad, this is going to look slightly differently. The student will click on their name, they'll connect their Google Drive, and then they'll have a big picture of an icon. And you can't do this with drawings on an iPad. So they'll see like the slide icon or the doc icon, and it will open the assignment on the Docs app, the Slides app, or the Sheets app. You have the ability to add a rubric, and the rubric looks like this. More on adding rubrics later. When students submit, they lose the ability to edit that document. So they get comment-only ability for the document, which is pretty nice. If you need to give them the ability to go in and edit again, perhaps like rough draft to final draft, you can unsubmit using this button. This is just a really great way to keep organized and avoid having students share documents with you or having a shared Google Doc folder. It's just a really nice way of keeping everything kind of streamlined and a great way for Google and Schoology to work together.